Welcome to today's video, and it's another real-time video, well, watch me work in real time. And this time I'm going to be making some little roses, well, I'm planning to anyway. So we'll see how we get on. You'll no doubt hear a lot of kind of background noise today. There's a fair amount of traffic actually, which is a bit sort of surprising really, given we're in lockdown at the moment, so you'll hear all sorts of ambient noise, I imagine. And also Jean-Paul is snoring away downstairs, and for some reason it can often reverberate up into the studio, so if you hear snoring, it's not me. Well, I hope it's not anyway, you never know, I might nod off. Also Ian is on the turbo on his bike, so you might hear some kind of whirring noises, but I'd be surprised actually, but you never know. My plan is not to talk too much during the process of this video, it's just all about kind of watching me work really, so you won't be hearing me chunter on about nothing. Well, hopefully not anyway. So yeah, let's get started, see how we get on. I've no idea if this is the right way to make roses with polymer clay, and I say the right way in quotation marks because, you know, there shouldn't be any right way to do anything really with creativity. So if you know of a better way, or they should perhaps look a little different, then I'm not too bothered really. It's just about reminding myself how to make them. It's really about a Skillshare video that I'm planning to make. Basically, I want to make a little character holding some flowers, and I don't think there'll be roses. I think there'll be something a little more simple, but I just wanted to remind myself how to make them, just in case. So I thought it was a good excuse for a watch me work in real time video. And so yeah, I don't know how how much it looks like a rose, but it definitely looks like a flower. So I'll make another one, I think. There's the bus. Just start with the central piece again. can hear some neighbours now, so I don't know if you can. All sorts of stuff going on, but it is a Saturday, so it's no surprise. Number 2. Make another one. I think once you get the knack going, it's quite a quick process. These aren't the neatest, but again, it's just about reminding myself how to do them. So I think what I'll do is just position those together. And what I might do is, got some green clay here, just make a few leaves. Oops. Get rid of that. Knock it over. It's not the best condition clay, but it's just for an experiment. Right, just got my cookie cutter tool here. Just neaten those off. Let's get my needle tool, I can add a little bit of detail. There we go, it's just a very basic bouquet. So yeah, good little reminder on how to do them, but I think, as I say, I'm going to go for a more simple style of flower, but yeah, worthwhile nonetheless. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.